Hey, what's happening, everybody? Just an update, another video, just an update of what I did now. Last video was I was going to clean up the garden and get rid of everything. So that bed is clean, that bed is clean. Most of this stuff is clean here. I'm going to leave the broccoli here because the bees are out. We got a couple more days of warm weather, so the bees are out, so they like those, so I'm going to leave those. Green onions that I bought from the store and planted after we used them, those are still growing, so I'm going to keep those in there. Cilantro, and that's a cabbage. That's the best that's cabbage has looked all year, so I'm going to leave that, see what happens. Cilantro's still good. That bed is clean. Here's the 28 cloves of garlic that I planted a few weeks ago. This is all clean. This is all clean. This was a zucchini and the watermelon and the cucumbers. This was all tomatoes. So everything's cleaned up. And I got to do a few more things. You see, I got the stuff down on the ground here. And I got weeds coming in, grass or whatever, so I got to pick all that stuff still. But yeah, a couple hours work. Here we are, everything's clean, just about ready to go. Like I said, I'm going to do some adjustments to my wooden beds. And I'll probably put those right in this area here, kind of like that. I'll just make another U right here. So we'll see what happens. I still have to, if you look at one of my older videos, I put these things on here because I'm going to run wire all along here so I can hold up tomatoes and other viney stuff. I'll just run a line here, another piece of wire, and then I got some clips that'll come down, grab onto the tomatoes or cucumbers or whatever it is, and I can continue to raise it up as they grow. So instead of having everything all over the ground, I'll have that. So I'm going to do that here in the next couple of weeks. I still got this chicken wire up along the back fence that helps some cucumbers and stuff grow up there. So yeah, that's the update today. Garden's clean. Do a couple of modifications and a little more cleaning, and I will be set to go for the spring here in a couple of month and a half, 2 months, and then we'll be ready to go. Get going again. I'm excited. Okay. It's Saturday. Hope y'all have a fantastic weekend. Hope you had a great week. A Merry Christmas, friends and family, all that stuff. We got New Year's coming up. Please be safe. Enjoy your time with your friends, family. Hope everybody is safe, healthy, and happy. Be safe. New Year's coming up. Stay out of large crowds. Things like that. There are still threats out there. So, yeah, have a great week. Have a great weekend. Happy New Year. And be good to each other.